Okay, let's get going. Yeah, today I'm gonna do some research on some 2D libraries. Rust, 2D graphic libraries. Research. If I can find some examples, and they're just easy drag and drop stuff, maybe I'll just run with it. But yeah, SFML. Can't SFML for now. I've opened a GitHub issue about this. Maybe I'll get a response. Or maybe I will just be told how dumb I am. Either way, this is a success. Maybe I make a video in the future trying to track down why this didn't work. Because I like SFML. I think that'd be really cool. I mean, like, hey, I'm going to an open source project and I'm fixing a bug and submitting a PR. That'd be a pretty cool thing for me to do, at least. I don't think I've ever actually done that successfully. I've pushed a couple things, or not pushed, but I've opened up a couple PRs and they don't get accepted. But if I get something that actually is valuable, useful, I think that'd be really neat. Big one for me, at least. All right, so let's check out some of these things. Macroquad? I think I've heard about Macroquad. Shape primitive, let's draw an image on a per pixel basis. Pete. Check out Macroquad. What does this link go to? Macroquad.rs. Oh, it's a game library? I don't know if I want to... Oh, my cat is being loud. Sorry if you hear her. I've been playing with her a lot today, and I think she just has the zoomies now. Is really the whole thing? Well, if this works like right off the bat, I'm just gonna run with this because this would be pretty cool. Let's try it. Is there like a cargo remove? Hold on. What are my options? Install, remove, yeah. Just make sure that's gone. Okay, it is gone. Go through cargo add. Macroquad. I remember looking at this at one point. I haven't used it though. 40 packages. Man. Why is it pulling so many things? Like quote? Did I read quote? Quote. Like, what is this package? Hold on. Oh, turning Rust syntax tree data into tokens of source code. Arbitrary Rust code. write code, we treat as data. Interesting. Let's not get too sidetracked. So this is a real, actual library. It's not just like, I was worried it's having me import some stuff just to display quotes. I was gonna be mad. Let's see what this main looks like. If this works, we're just gonna run with it. Draw a line, draw a rectangle. Let's build it. That builds faster than SFML. Oh my god. Okay, it's a go. It's a go. Let's get going. We're running with Macroquad. Put them in the notes. For the win. Okay. So what does this look like? Black. Make sure that's a real thing. This is just a guess. Okay. I don't need to draw a line. Oh my god, what is this? I don't need this. What I do need is to wait, hold on. How does it know how big this is? Man, my game. Let's name it. Falling Sand. I need to check out the docs for this. Let's do some research. Oh god, this needs to be on the right. That's gonna change every single time I hit run. I'm just gonna get used to it. This is going on the left. Sure, let's check out. I don't really want to see a video. I'd rather just see the talk's cheap. Show me the code. Good time. All just in main. That's kind of crazy. I mean, cool. Platformer. Maybe this will have like a different. See the docs. Just send me the actual website. Okay. Request the window size to be the given value. Run window request. Okay, so let's do let's bring all that in real quick. And I could do quad window. Actually, no, I can just do, since I am using this, I can do request window new screen size. Sorry. What is this taking? Width and height, F32, F32. Really, a float? That's kind of weird. Let's try 800, 600, right? Can I do that? Can I compile? Why not? Oh, I forgot to. It's weird to me how these are floats. Let's see what it turns out to be. Does that feel like 800 by 600? What if I do like 1600? That is a crazy number. Let's not. Oh my god. Yeah, it did it. That seems like a good size, I think. Okay. So now that we have this, we want our new tank. So we need to do, what is it, pub mod, glass tank, right? Then I could do let mute grains equals glass tank, new 800, 600, step 0. That actually worked. I'm actually very surprised. Okay. So let's check this stuff out. I'm guessing it clears at every clear background. So I'm guessing like every frame this will just clear the window and then do whatever it's in there. Okay. I'm gonna wait. I actually need to do grains dot. What did I call it? It's been a couple days. Advanced frame from grains. Advanced frame. Okay. So what is my need some kind of like input system that I could input mouse and keyboard. Boom. Key code. Okay. Good sharp pressed. Is key down? It's like a specific one. Can I do? Well, Hash set key code. Get keys pressed. Let's see. Do I want to do that? Keys pressed, and then I can. Yeah, I kind of like that. I kind of like that. Get keys pressed. Macroquad input. Okay. And do let keys pressed equals get like that. Hash set code. And then, let's see, Rust, move over hash set. I mean, that's probably a good one too. But let's see, okay, he's using a hash set, sure. This looks pretty, what is this? This is just like for blot and blot. Yeah, just dot iter. For key in keys pressed dot iter. What do I need to do? Should we just do like just to drop it in at the column that my mouse is. So I need to check. So what I want to do here, let's make a note for this. So I want to drop grain of sand at the location of my mouse based on the color of keyboard input. So right, like G is green, R is red, B is blue, etc. Stuff like that. So that's kind of what I'm planning on doing. So let's see. So I have this. Put mouse position, pixels, just mouse position, returns F32, F32. I like this library already. It's not using any crazy shit. Excuse my language. It's not using any crazy like weird enums or anything. It's just like, here's two floats. Okay. So let's see what it actually looks like. So I actually want to do let mouse pause, get mouse position. Mouse pause. How do they do it here? Is it like that one? Two? That looks like, I think that's what it looks like. That's probably not gonna work. That's probably gonna fail. Yep, okay. Key code cannot be default formatter. So let's try the oh, it's just mouse position? It's just mouse position. No field 2. Oh, because I got the, it's late. Let's actually, now that I'm building it here, let's bust it out here. Wow, this console's huge. Okay. Oh my god, where do I even want this? Let's put it like down over here. Okay, so we're in here. Check this out. So it does go off screen, but it starts at 0, right? Goes to 800. Goes taller, and then it goes negative. Okay, that works. I like this. I like this. Let's close this terminal so I can look at my code better because I'm going to be swapping over to run this. So now I need mouse pause greater than 0 and mouse pause dot 0 is greater than 0 and mouse pause dot 0 is less than I'm using these numbers a lot now, so let's do this. Just cast it. What's the cast look like? The cast does not look like that, I know that. It's like as, right? I just do as F32, I think. I think that's what it is. Screen width. Screen height. I think casting in Rust is as F32. It's all coming back to me. This looks right. Oh yeah, because I'm not doing anything there. Get key pressed. Saying like this is weird. Yep. Okay. Less than. Yes, less than, because equal to would be out of bounds. It'd be farther than it could be. And let's go to the next line. Mouse pause dot 1 greater than 0 and mouse pause dot 1 greater than screen height. If all of that is true, then I can let my keys pressed equal this. That looks a little funny. Let's check it out. I don't want to write too much code without doing this because obviously this is not going to work. What's wrong with this? So I just expect this to be F32. Oh, this is going to be so stupid. 0.0. 0.0. As F32. As F32. I'm a little weirded out by this. But that's fine. Oops, I don't want to be printing this anymore. It's just going to get in the way. Okay. What am I doing wrong? Maybe I should print it. guessing that this is just incorrect. Okay, so then this is just incorrect. This is being super annoying. Cart go. Why am I doing that so crazy? Mouse position out 0 is greater than 0, and it's less than screen width. And 1 is greater than 0, less than screen height. Oh. What a silly thing to do. This looks pretty good to me. That looks like it's working now. I don't need that anymore. But let's check out. Okay, so I mean, that works. I want it to hold. I'm holding F right now, and it should continually drop this. But it's not doing that. So instead of get keys down, get keys. I'm trying to get keys down. I should read the docs. Oh, no, it works. Okay. Cool. So, for all of these, right, I just want to push it onto. Does it have 2-string? Hopefully it has a 2-string. Keys pressed. Let's see my key code. These look right. Ripper is a U16. What do I do? I do char. Okay, this might be a little different than what I was hoping. Because I need to like convert. This is why I wanted an interface, so I could just, pop together. But let's see what we get. What do I even call this? Drop sand in column. Column was a U size. Greatest char. So I need mouse pause dot 0 as usize. It's probably gonna. This might explode. I don't know. And then char, I need key dot. Oh god, that just makes me feel bad. Yeah. The key as char does not work. Is that really? I don't need both of these. They're both in the prelude. I'm sick of seeing that. Okay. Key code as char is invalid. Wait. Cast through raw pointer first. Char. I don't know what that means. Nudge the key. No. It even says right here. Wait. Just char. Each char. I'm gonna have to do this, so this key down. Right? Cannot drop sand past a column larger than the width of the tank. Cannot drop sand past in a column. Yeah, I wrote that. Cannot drop sand past the column larger than the width of the tank. This might be okay. I'm not sure if that's even ever going to be hit. But why? Yeah, let's check this out. At X, excuse me, 0. So I can stop at 600. So width height, right? width, height. I didn't test that very well. Oh, my shit's not working. Excuse my language. Yeah, it all works. Okay. So now we just need to draw them. So this is what this looks like. And then I need to do I have like a get grains? It's public. So what I can do is for I need to actually call this tank. What tank? Where do I use a tank? Tank. What tank? Oh no, it's actually gonna be grains equals tank dot grains. Row and grains for C and row. Where does this come from? It's Macroquad color, right? Color. Colors. It's just colors. It's a color. Okay. Let color. Let new color equal green. Is that solid? Oops. This might also blow up on the borrow checker. Yeah. So I don't actually want this. I want to do in tank.grains. That should be fine because it like makes the iter. I need to do iter. Okay, that's fine, whatever. The copy trait for row and tank.grains dot iter. Maybe not. Now it's like, don't use the reference. Okay. Okay, that's cool. There's green. First of all, if C is equal to dash continue. Like just do nothing. And say the color is green. If C is equal to G, color equal to green. Well, let's do match. Is there? I don't think switch is like a thing, right? Yeah, match. That's what I'm saying. So let mute color. I don't need to mute it. So color equals match C. then if I can do G green, R red, B blue, everything else, let's make it purple just to show that it's like not really what it's supposed to be. That makes sense? That makes sense to me. Craggle check. Star C. Really? Can't compare Anchar. It's an Anchar, so I need to. Cool. And then what I need to do is I need to draw a rectangle. What does this look like? I mean, I have it like in front of me, but I want to know what I'm actually doing. Shapes. Draw a rectangle. Yep. Top left corner. X, Y, size, WH. Given color. Thickness and color. Wait, what's the difference between draw a rectangle X and draw a rectangle? So X, Y, width, height, color. Okay. Actually, what I need to do is I need to do this in row dot length. Tag dot brains. This is not as nice at all. But I need it for here. Maybe I can save this off into a variable so it doesn't need to go in there twice. So it's X, Y, and the X is column, row, 1, 1, color. Now compile. 1.0. Yep, I meant to use len. Sure did. Range. Can I do that, or do we need to do like 0 to it? Yeah, I need to do 0 dot. What are you talking about? I'm not really looking this up. One dot dot and in. It's not range. Don't need that keyword range. Yeah, like mixed up with Rust and Go. 0 dot dot range. What am I even thinking? Oh lordy. This isn't gonna work either. I gotta do tank dot grades. I need to slow down. Row dot len. Okay. SF32. That's the one thing I don't like about that. Okay, let's check it out. Moment of truth. Let's get this green block out of here. Get this green block out of here. Moment of truth, everybody. Drum roll, please. How's it gonna fall? How are they gonna fall? Oh. Glass tank 114. Attempt to subtract with overflow. What happened? It started looking so good. South Ukraine's that length minus row minus 1. I was running into this when I was testing too. Does this happen? Why is it falling through? It should not be falling through. Just copy that. Let's drop one straight down. As we watch it fall down, what happens? It falls off? I don't get it. What if I just keep dropping? Let's shrink the screen. This doesn't need to be this big. Let's shrink it 800 by 600. Let's make it like 30 by 20. That might be easier to see. Holy hell. Okay, that is not easier to see. Do 100 by 100. Okay. Now it's 109. So yeah, it's just this one. This was bothering me earlier too, when I was working on this. This is from the video that failed, which kind of made me really mad. It's the row and the column that it's in, right? So we are getting the because we're kind of dropping backwards. Mm. Okay, so we can't do that. I'm wondering why I can't. Like, why is it falling through the bottom? How do I make the? How do I make this? I make this width and height. That makes sense to me, right? I guess I've always been shooting for the middle. Let's make it pretty uneven. Let's make it back to 800 by 400. See if there's a thing with my. Okay. Let's burn it up. I have some pretty good burning stuff. It's failing here again still, right? Yeah, it's still failing here. So let's just do print line. Grains. Two string. That might just be crazy. How do I do it in my test? Maybe I'll do that thing, right? Where am I? So it doesn't need to be. I mean, it really doesn't need to be. Let's call it an I-16. That should be enough. Use as an I-16 in panic. Trying to. Okay. U size is definitely the right thing to put here. Let me think for a little bit. So, gosh, it's getting late. I might be running out of steam. Let's see how much longer I can do this, realistically. Left trap U size, because match can move left. What I need to do, row is greater than grains dot line. Well, it needs to be less than. It's just bounds checking. Do I really want that though? Like, why would this happen? I'm doing something wrong. It shouldn't need to be mutable. So when we're doing a move, right? Neither direction, neither. Fall down. That should be up here. There should be 0 because I'm falling down. When I started that, yeah, because when I started working on this, I was being like, oh no, I'm gonna start at 0 and fall up because it's gonna kind of how it's be. That's how it's going to kind of be. When I'm looking at, the actual window, but then I realized here it makes more sense to do it this way. So let's. Oh, look, everything failed though. Overrunning existing grain. Overrunning existing grain. Expected actual grain. That's why I have the tests, That's why they're there. Where do I drop it? Drop standing column. I drop in row 0. Column. Wait. Yeah, I drop in row 0. Which is correct. Right, if it's hit the bottom, just don't do anything. Yeah. Yep. No, I remember I'm going back on what I said originally. What? It cuts it off at the bottom. Oh, kind of cool. But yeah, why is it cut it off? What if I drop it over here? Is it gonna like explode? No, that's fine. Okay, so maybe if I can see what it actually looks like, because for some reason it's just not doing it. Let's try to add like 50. Oh my god. Could not compile, no implementation for integer. Whoops. So now, when I'm dropping them, are they dropping to what do I think they will be? Kind of. That's pretty cool. If I had some red, and I put some blue on top of it, and then some green, and then more red and blue and green. Oh, it broke. Okay. Now we're getting somewhere though. 50 wasn't it? Let's try like 30. Thirty's pretty good. I mean, it's there. Okay. So we're getting there. I think that's a good time to call it. It's been over an hour, and I definitely need to do some more unit testing. So, setting up different scenarios, seeing why it's all just going bad. But we're up and running. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. It's a good time to call it, I think. Today, very good progress, I think, if you ask me. Next time, subtract underflow bug with U size. Reproduce. And we'll see about that. Yeah, I don't have any unit tests for disjointed falls. So I have things like drop everything in one column. Like that's basically all my tests, or I drop everything in one column at a time. So this is a pretty big vector for bugs, which I think I'm hitting at this point. So maybe I'll just start throwing in some unit tests, you know. See what they turn out to be. But yeah, I think today was fun. I got to actually have a screen and it draws and stuff. Let's see if I can do something real quick. I want to see is this 30, does this make sense for every height? So if I do 800, will it still be like 30? Look at that bad boy fall. No, that one looks like it went way past it. Fucking, yeah. So 30's not the standard. I'll have to. That's weird. I don't know what it comes out to be. Let's just comment here. Okay. Yeah, let's commit this. Still buggy. Which is fine. It is what it is. Maybe we'll fix it. Well, not maybe. We will fix this the next time around. And hopefully I will see you there. Goodbye.